Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Messenger not sending messages in iPhone. It's super easy. Let's get started. To do that, you have a good internet and check it out if your app isn't updated or not. To check that, go to App Store and then search over here Messenger and then search over here, and then you will find the app, and you will see over here when it's about to update. You will see over here update option, but in my case I have updated previously and now I am seeing this option open. And once you have done updating, you will come click on open, and then you have to come in your chats, and then you have to do is click on the chat that you want to send any message or like that. So you have to do is type over here that message you want to send it to. So like I want to send over here hello, and then click on send, and now you can see over here the send button is over here. And if you didn't have good internet speed, so you have to do is get a good internet, or like change the place or like that. So then you will never face any issue like that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.